Hey guys, this is Tati Tanisha. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, I'm already in my car. I'm about to go ahead and have like a chill day to myself. I'm gonna go right now to my favorite nail salon, get my eyebrows waxed, and take these off because these have been here since like before Valentine's Day. So I need to take these off. I'm going to go to Barnes & Noble's and then maybe after that to Best Buy because I just got my first vlogging camera. That's what I'm vlogging on to you guys. So yeah, like I am about to do a couple stuff today. Y'all go ride with me, do what it do, and we're gonna have fun. So I'll see you at the nail salon. Hey guys, so I'm actually in I'm actually at Chipotle right now. I just got done with my nail appointment. Decided to do white. I only was supposed to come in for a fill, and well, no, not a fill. I was supposed to come in to just take these off and do my eyebrows, which she did. She was on point. But like the owners, it's a couple, like Lee and Amanda. Like, I'll do whatever Lee and Amanda tell me. So if they like, nah, like, your shit look good and you don't need to take them off, like, you can just do a fill or whatever. All right, whatever you tell me. Why my nose itching? But yeah, like, they were like, whatever, like, you just need a fill. So I was like, okay, like, I'll just do a fill. And then I was just like, well, do that. Might as well change, you know, my nails because I don't know, like, I'm just into the whole white, you know, just like my black and white era. So I was just like, yeah, we're just gonna do all white. Chipotle. I'm hungry as heck. When I tell you I am hungry, I am hungry. So yeah, I'm about to go get Chipotle. I'm gonna come back to y'all, and then I'm gonna go get Starbucks, and then we're still gonna go. I'm really thinking about going to Target. Something in my mind is telling me about going to Target. Don't know why. But I might. I don't know yet. I really need to get out of there. But yeah, I'm still going to go to Barnes & Noble's. And then I'm still going to Best Buy. Y'all, tell me why my dumb nut tail just did. I just remembered that I had ordered the new little Keith Adia thing or whatever from like Keith Lee. So I was like, oh, I want to try that because that's what I'm really going in there for. Tell me why I did it through the app. Like, my app's been messing up with Chipotle, so I was like, let me go ahead and delete it or whatever and then redo it. But anyway, tell me why I just ordered it. And I'm thinking like, oh, it's at the New Bern location, so I'm going to just go wait in there. Tell me to look back. Tell me why the food is in Jacksonville, where I'm about to go to like Barnes & Noble's and stuff. Tell me why it's in Jacksonville. I said, oh, let me get out of here. Let me get out of here because I'm dumb. Like, I'm dumb as hell. Yeah, let me just go ahead and take this drive to Jacksonville because my food is going to be there, and my food is supposed to be like ready at like 2:10. Anyway, yeah, let me just back out of here at this location and let me just go to Jacksonville real quick. Hey guys, so we got the goods. We got the Chipotle. It's like $2.49. I want to see what it is giving. Oh, we got corn. The corn in it, and then some type of vinaigrette thing. Like, I ain't really looked into it. I just saw if it was from Keith Lee, so I was just like, okay. But this is what it's packaged in. Oh, it's still hot. So I want to see what it's giving. So it's giving hot, melty, ooh, and cheesy. Look at that cheese. Ooh. I just want to get a little bit of the This is already good so far. Yeah. Like, they gave me sour cream and the sauce. So I want to see do it like this. Oh wow, it had two. Oops. Here's the sauce. The sauce makes it better. Like, it's not already like good, but with the sauce, like, it's hella good. Chipotle is packed. Like, oh, you got your like normal capacity or whatever like that, but nah, this crap is like packed. I'm gonna save this. Let me go into Target and catch you inside. Say hi, Tiny. Say hi, Tiny Bear. Hi, Tiny. Say hi. Say hi, Tiny Bear. Hey. Hey. Hey, good boy. So, yeah, like, I'm starting to break out, so I'm gonna just take off this makeup. Kind of, it was very weird today. Target and like everywhere, obviously it's the weekend. It was like dumb pack. Tiny, stop kicking me. Look, stop kicking me. Just hella people everywhere. Like they mama, they papa, like everybody was out. Child, it was a hot mess. I did get my new SD card for the camera, and then I was trying to find a case like to put everything in. Didn't have any. They wanted me to order it. I was like, nope, I'm gonna go to Amazon. And then, yeah, I got the SD card. I went to Barnes & Noble's, signed up for the Barnes & Noble's membership for like $25, and then got a discount magazine, and I'll show you guys. Let me show you guys. The Essence last issue with Lori Harvey. I was intrigued. So I'm gonna go ahead, kind of tone down, take a shower, and yeah, just kind of relax. Catch you in a few. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. Today's Sunday. It's like 9:19. I just walked the dog, as you can see on the montage. Say hi, Tiny. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Yeah, what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna cook some breakfast. Don't mind my bonnet. Mind your own. Go ahead and make some breakfast. Don't know what I'm making. I probably might make a breakfast burrito, or some type of breakfast taco. But yeah, so I know the agenda today is like kind of tidying up, obviously, like a Sunday reset. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some grocery shopping. I do have to get Tiny some pee pads for his room. And then yeah. This. So this is my breakfast burrito. if I did male subscribers and they said something to me. She'll be alright. Thank you, Mommy. Stop.